I'm honoured to have been recently appointed as the International Affairs Advisor to Kovpress, an Anglo-Chinese company who are determined to build upon their international relationship and become a global supplier to the automotive industry. The Prime Minister David Cameron, on his recent trip to China, has prioritised our trade and investment relationship between the two nation states. And already here at Kovpress, we can see the benefits of Chinese investments of £27 million and a further announcement in the near future of further investment, proving that once again Kovpress are going from strength to strength to the benefit not only of the people working here but to the people of Coventry.
Kovpress is a company built on over 100 years of manufacturing expertise. A proud past without doubt. It is now forging, though, a bright future. This is the Kovpress story. Production starts at the factory gates. Dozens of lorries queue up every day to deliver load after load of aluminium and steel. These are the raw materials that feed the power and precision of 30 presses and the skill and dedication of a workforce of around 650 people. The site at Coventry covers 8 acres, giving 33,000 square metres of manufacturing area. The presses range from 125 to 2,500 tonnes. Parts can be assembled in the many robotic and manual assembly cells. Once the factory supplied munition parts for tanks and Spitfires during World War II. Now the press work produced in Coventry is having a very different global impact.
We are manufacturers of automotive and non-automotive parts. The structural parts of your car. When you sit in a car, anything that you can't see outside, the bonnet, the doors, anything you can't see, we make here. So they are the structural critical, safety critical parts of your car. But as well as that, we're non-automotive. We make, for instance, 1 million gas meters a year here at Kovpress. These gas meters are for Landis and Gear, servicing British Gas and other customers in Europe. These are what are becoming known as the smart meter. These are the meters that are going to have the telephone chip. We've got to make 20 million of those before the year 2020. So we're excited about the growth of that product as well.
This press shop is the heartbeat of the factory. On these main pressings, 5 presses here, we produce over 200,000 components a week, where we supply all our internal assembly cells, as well as producing straight pressings for all our major customers.
The 2,500 tonne transfer press was acquired in February 2011 at a cost of £6 million. It ensured Kovpress was not standing still, but delivering the constant efficiency improvements demanded by the global automotive market. With its significantly bigger bed area and blank capacity, it has the capability to produce large or multi-operation components. The sheer power of 2,500 tonnes allows it to process the latest high-strength materials through multi-operations. This becomes more important as the automotive industry moves towards even higher strength steels to minimise weight. The factory stores a large number of different tools for different jobs. When one job has finished, the old tools slide out and the new ones slide in, so that work can continue to press different parts. From start to finish, the changeover takes just 30 minutes. The next stop for the newly pressed parts is either back onto a lorry for transport to the manufacturer or to one of the many robotic assembly cells and automated assembly lines within the Kovpress plant. There, highly skilled operatives and experienced welders ensure that the company delivers goods that are equal to some of the most stringent tests in the industry. Kovpress has always been an outward-looking company, and its partnership with the Yongtai Group is proof of that.
The Yongtai Group in China, Mr. Yu and his son, with a giant leap of faith, invested in CovPress some 18 months ago, and the scale of acceleration of the growth and progress of this company has been astonishing, not only here in Coventry, but also in China, where a £300 million investment is currently taking place and a 500,000 square foot factory is being built. China very shortly will be the largest manufacturer of cars in the world. Mr. Yu recognised this fact, hence the reason for his investment in the auto component manufacturing area that we see here in Coventry today. The skill sets that we have are generations old here at CovPress. That is another fact that Mr. Yu recognised, and we are utilising their skills over in China to teach our Chinese colleagues and instruct them on perfection when it comes to press work in China.
Perfection and precision is on view every minute of every hour of every day at CovPress. The 1,000-ton press, commissioned in 2013 at a cost of over £4 million, has helped expand the company's production capability. It can stamp highly technical and complex parts with the maximum possible quality and consistency. Use of state-of-the-art equipment has helped to minimise labour costs to allow CovPress to hold its own in a competitive global market. CovPress undoubtedly has its roots in providing ingenious engineering solutions for the automotive industry. The prestige of the companies who come to CovPress for its skills are testament to its reputation. Automotive manufacturers such as Renault, General Motors, Nissan, Jaguar Land Rover, Honda, Toyota and Caterpillar are convinced CovPress is a company that continues to look ahead.
The future at CovPress is very exciting, not only here in Coventry, where there will be some exciting announcements shortly regarding acquisitions and expansion within Coventry, but also the massive facility that we're building in China that is not designed just for China and for Europe, it's designed to serve the global market. That's our aspiration, that's our goal, and we're heading towards it.